Hey guys, this is Gatlin with TracSeats.com. Today we're at a local customer's house installing a new seat on his Kubota M9540, and we want to take you along on the installation process. This is a pretty universal seat, fits a wide variety of different tractors. If your tractor has a seat safety switch, our seat does accept a bolt-on style safety switch like so. You just secure it there using 6mm bolts. Our customer just requests no safety switch in this one. He's just going to leave it disconnected. So we want to install that for this installation. Our seat has adjustable sliding tracks, so you want to measure the width of your original seat sliding tracks and match that width. And to adjust these, you'll just loosen these two bolts. And then you can adjust the sliding track to the desired width and then tighten the bolts back down. All right, now we'll go ahead and install the seat on the tractor. Go ahead and slide the seat back and match up the holes. We'll slide the seat forward and put the back bolts in. The seat we installed today is our Trac Seats TS-95 seat. This is a very comfortable seat. It has adjustable armrests that you can adjust the height needed, and also they flip up out of the way for when they're not needed. It also features an adjustable back that can adjust to the reclining position that you prefer. And it also flips all the way forward to access anything behind the seat that you need to. We have this seat in a few different colors. We have the gray fabric. We also have a tan fabric and a black vinyl. We also have a wide variety of different replacement seats for your tractors and other vehicles, so check us out at TracSeats.com.